Imagine surviving the worst night of your life, and finally building a peaceful life, only to discover that danger has found you again. That's the emotional hook of The Search by Nora Roberts. Fiona Bristow has escaped a serial killer, but the experience changed her forever. Now she lives on Orcas Island, trains search and rescue dogs, and works hard to keep her world quiet and under control. Her 3 loyal Labradors are her companions, her work gives her purpose, and she has no interest in letting anyone get too close. Then Simon Doyle arrives with an impossible puppy named Jaws. What begins as a desperate request for dog training helps slowly become something neither Fiona nor Simon expected. Their relationship brings warmth, humor, and a surprisingly tender romance into Fiona's carefully protected life. But just when she begins to believe the past is finally behind her, a copycat killer appears. Now Fiona isn't simply searching for missing people with her dogs. She may be searching for a way to survive someone who knows exactly how to find her. And this is where the audiobook becomes such a compelling experience. The quiet island atmosphere, emotional tension, developing romance, and moments of suspense work beautifully when you can simply put on your headphones and let the story unfold around you. If you enjoy romantic suspense, strong heroines, loyal dogs, and mysteries that keep raising the stakes The Search is a story worth experiencing. If it sounds like your kind of listen, check the link in the description and see if you can start listening with a free trial.